Often the church body or spiritual leaders will recognize and affirm this gift in an individual based on their experience and the impact of their prayers. Come on to the front. If you've ever imparted, ever prayed, ever done anything, come on, there we go, there we go. Anything that you've done that God has allowed you to be utilized in that way, then we want to highlight and be able to use that gift in power. Amen? In the book of Acts, somebody say Acts, chapter 3, verse 1 through 10, this is where I'm going to springboard our message today as we talk about the spiritual gift of healing. It says, one day Peter, who was it? And John, they were going to the temple, taking him by the right hand, he helped him up, and instantly the man's feet and ankles became strong. He jumped to his feet and began to walk. Then he went with them into the temple courts, walking and jumping.